Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Asxaabta soo dhawaada. This your boy Faisal. After a long time I soo noqon faanteen. Haddii aad subscribe ii saar. Haddii aad ii saartana waa mahadsantahay. Asxaabtiga si gaarsi. Wadada maxaa ku soconaa aan kun qof gaar leen insha Allah biidnillahi alkareem. Marka maanta maxaan hayaa reaction oo Cristiano Ronaldo faanteen. Banooni hayaa maanta soo dhawaada ilaa asxaabta top 10 legendary way. Welcome. Daawacashona.
The ball comes over towards Morata, got his head on that one, and this time it will count. Jimenez is there from close range. In from Griezmann, just requires a little touch. Godin is there, and Godin makes it two. The captain strikes for Atletico Madrid, and it's a... But what a big test now for Juventus in what remains of this tie. In Madrid and in Turin, if it stays like this, Juventus, who...
No sé si has visto a Cristiano, que ha hecho así.
Cristiano, bueno, esa manita, mira lo que ha hecho. La manita esa que le vamos a decir adiós nosotros a él.
Cristiano, ¿qué? Ahora 5 y a dormir, ¿eh? Cristiano, 5, ¿qué?
Saque la manita.
Pues adiós, vaya Italia.
Ninkay kallayaan ma aqaanaan ninka Cristiano ma yaqaanaan
No vuelva.
iska fiirsa
Llorar, a Turín, a llorar. Ya está, 2-0, ni manita ni nada, 2-0 y fuera.
Sí, se fue.
No, está acostado ya y llorando como siempre, que no para de llorar.
Puede echar el vinagre, Cristiano.
Que llore.
Lifted in towards Ronaldo. What a save, Ronaldo on the follow-up. All kinds of appeals.
It's in.
And the referee's given it. Cristiano Ronaldo
raggaad hadda laga rabaa
has done it again. And Juve, from 2 down in the first leg, have levelled it up at 2-2. Incredible.
Juve mar wuxuu ku dhilay hadda tusraba hadda ay inuu aadin koor way tan baanteen
And then Ronaldo! What a goal by Cristiano Ronaldo! Sensational!
wax ma laga qaban kara
In the history of the Champions League with an absolute beauty!
If you type up to us, all the Juventus fans around us are on their feet applauding. What an incredible sight. You can see around.
banooni ina ciyaar maaragta haddii ay kooxda u ciyaaraysa iska dhafiya kooxda ka soo horjeeda taageerada ay ku subciyaan waa dhamaysan marka banooni waa iska dhaafi kartaa markaas retire waa sameyn kartaa faantininkan Messi Ronaldo kala raggaas bisa loo sameeyo umaleynaa intaas ka saale rag kala ma jirtaba oo loo subciyo fanska away
On the ground, not just the Real Madrid fans, the Juventus fans. We were here when we saw one of the greatest goals in the Champions League.
هاي سويدن هذا فانت لو ده كنت توني أفرت والد كاب سيا عندي لوكتيس وره لوكتيس صاحب هذا فيرنا تسد هذا جونا
Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo with a chance maybe to seal it, and he has taken it. They're one step closer to Brazil, thanks to Cristiano Ronaldo.
سي
Well, beyond him, but in. Ibrahimovic has finally arrived, and there is a glimmer of hope for Sweden. It's Ibrahimovic, he's done it! And one more will do it for Sweden. Incredible stuff. Well, this is quite extraordinary, and actually when the ball is...
كبو حرت ما فهمت كبتو الصفعة وحرتنا سداري وعمل سود لك وفهم ويس ساين كاس دغال لوسي لك سود ويفهم ويس
Right on the edge of the penalty area like this, it's Ronaldo who can break again. Can he kill the Swedish dream? He has done surely. Well, when he's around, you've always
he's got a chance.
maqlaysaa haysaa
Indeed. But it's a chance for Ronaldo again. Hat-trick. He has written his name all over this tie, and there is no doubt now he's paved their path to Rio.
It's absolutely incredible. His
Ibrahimovic.
movement, his first touch, and his finishing tonight has just been extraordinary. The Swedish fans shaking their heads, the coach is shaking his head. He cannot believe.
Irrepressible, irreplaceable, a rampant Ronaldo has delivered a magnificent individual performance to end Sweden's hopes.
dhacaytan afraad haddana waa Champions League laba gool laga geliyay gurigooda wuxuu ku sameynaa wacdarada la tusaa marka dalka hadda
He's been able to advance and played in for Cristiano Ronaldo to
way
score.
bilaawatay
And Real Madrid are halfway back. It's him again. It's always him.
it's always him asaga le waaye mar kasta
Ronaldo! They've done it in a hurry. Mountain to climb. They've hit the peak already. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo by himself. The man's a phenomenon. The club's a phenomenon. There's only Cristiano Ronaldo. Beautiful. Beautiful.
waa naga
Close
kala
to genius. He's turned the tie around all by himself. Another chance.
laashi dhan kaligiis tuunila lagu hay mahan kaligiisa soo wareejiyo taagay xariifkan sax waay saddexda gool kaligiisa geliya maaha
Champions League hat-trick for the head of the Real Madrid glitterati, Cristiano Ronaldo. 2-0 down at kick.
tan shanaad waa Messi aan ugu sameeyay revenge Messi aan la hormaray waa laga caayin faanteen oo arkayna si looga caaray isagana
Jordi Alba, Lionel Messi!
aha
Lionel Messi does it again, he's superhuman! Oh, Lionel Messi has just exploded La Liga into life!
finaanada
On the shot. And immediately Real Madrid.
ma United alay geliya madax iska caadi dhib malahan kooxdiisa hore waa in faanteen askiga ogolnahay
Now Di Maria. Oh, it's a wonderful header. It is a truly wonderful header. The man nurtured by Manchester United has hurt Manchester United. Cristiano Ronaldo, 1-1. Now they swap.
Real Madrid ninka uu gool dhalista badan waa in faanteen hadda duu qaatay ciyaartan uu ku qaatay tan toddobaada mareen haddana
Ahead, Toni Kroos looking for Cristiano on his right. Cristiano! The drought is over. Cristiano Ronaldo, 324 goals for Real Madrid. He's the all-time leading goal scorer in the club's history.
324
And it's
goals.
2 to Los Blancos.
Again.
324 gool ciyaar ma antaas macquul ma aha in faanteen
Levante cough it up and Real Madrid punish them.
ay tasdaxadna maxaa waaye Juventus uu ka geliyay laba gool Champions League final lugtiisa uu qaaday in faanteen maanta dhan waxa la tusinaya Luis wuxuu ku qaaday leeyahay bas uu gool ku dhaliyay inta qatarteedii ah
Gary Carvajal. Cristiano Ronaldo! Who else on a big goal? Who else to open the scoring?
maqasa computerka muxuu dhayaa kala dhalin kariyaa kala dhalnaa markasta Ronaldo
Cristiano
mucjisa maahan camal waa no
Madrid. Same old story.
maqlayda
Zinedine Zidane doesn't look too impressed. The main man, to Modric. Ronaldo's coming in and he's got there again. And Real Madrid strike twice in quick succession. And it's 2 on the night for Cristiano Ronaldo. Fletcher's like slow motion. Ronaldo's the only one moving in the box, anticipating what Luka Modric is going to do. You could see the goal coming a few seconds before. He's the one thinking. He's pulling this back. Everybody else is just falling.
Ronaldo.
And what a lovely finish by him. What a lovely finish by the superstar.
tan sagaalaad waa Barcelona oo ka buuqaan fanteen extra time oo madax ka galiyay taas amarayna hadda daawasho caanidana oo arkayna balsuu Barcelona ugu baxshaan fanteen waasoo ka badawaa jeclay markasta tan tobanaad amarayna hadda waa tii World Cup Spain hat-trick ugu galiyay 2018 saddex gool kaligiis maanta saddex gool u dhalnaa
It's 1-0 Portugal, and was there ever any doubt?
No.
It's Diego Costa. Can he get the shot away? Costa scores! What brilliant skill. It wasn't initially. Ronaldo with the shot. Oh, it's gone in! Cristiano Ronaldo.
تاريخية كفكتي لما نحن وغلطوا بورتيرك سمعت لكن رونالدو تربي أساس كل جول قلد يقرن الآن بس
Ronaldo gets Portugal's second goal of the night. Silva with a little chip. Back across goal, turned in. Diego Costa strikes again. Now it might drop for the shot here. Oh, what a shot that is! Nacho, the man who gave away the penalty. Ronaldo. Oh, genius! Absolute genius! Would you believe it? And it's a hat-trick for Cristiano Ronaldo.
Okay, asxaabta intaas inoo eegay videoga hadaa subscribe ii saartay sida hore u sheegay oo ku maasantay hadaa ii saar wadadii maxaa ku jirna aan ku gaari lahayn insha Allah videoga xiga ayaan noo balanaa